Dear students, in this session we are going to see few more previous year problems. Evaluate integral sin of 2x plus 2 by root of 4x square plus 8x plus 13. You can take this value as I. 4x square plus 8x plus 13 equal to 4 into x square plus 2x plus 13 by 4. 4 into x plus 1 whole square minus 1 plus 13 by 4. 4 into x plus 1 the whole square plus 9 by 4. 4 into x plus 1 the whole square plus 3 by 2 the whole square. Therefore, I equal to integral sine inverse of 2 into x plus 1 whole divided by root of 4 into x plus 1 whole square plus 3 by 2 whole square into dx. Sin of 2 into x plus 1 whole divided by 2 into root of x plus 1 whole square plus 3 by 2 whole square into dx. This will be cancelled. So, I equal to integral sin of x plus 1 by root of x plus 1 whole square plus 3 by 2 whole square d square. This is the form x square plus a square. So, x equal to 8 and then we have to make substitution. So, x plus 1 equal to a means 3 by 2 tan theta. So, dx equal to 3 by 2 secant square theta d theta. So, I equal to sinus of, for numerator expression we have 3 by 2 tan theta whole divided by root of 9 by 4 x plus 1 whole square, that is 9 by 4 tan square theta plus 9 by 4. In place of dx you can write 3 by 2 secant square theta d theta. So, I equal to integral sinus of 3 by tan theta. If you take outside the bracket, it will become, outside the square root, it will become 3 by 2 root of 1 plus tan square theta 3 by 2 secant square theta d theta. 1 3 by 2 will be cancelled. Sorry. This 3 by 2 will cancelled. This 3 by 2 can be brought here. Sinus of tan theta by secant theta into secant square theta d theta. In place of tan, you can write sin by cos, 1 by secant equal cos. This will be cancelled. 3 by 2 sinus of sin theta, theta secant square theta d theta. So we are going to apply integration by parts. So u equal to theta, du equal to d theta, dv equal to secant square theta, integral dv equal to integral secant square theta, v equal to tan theta. Integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. So I equal to u theta v tan theta minus v tan theta du d theta. I equal to theta tan theta minus log secant theta plus c. So I equal to theta tan theta minus log of secant theta plus c. We have taken x plus 1 equal to 3 by 2 tan theta, 2 by 3 into x plus 1 equal to tan theta, theta equal to 2 by 3 tannus of 2 by 3 into x plus 1. So I equal to theta tan theta minus log secant theta can be written as root of 1 plus tan square theta. In place of theta, in place of tan theta, you can write 2 by 3 into x plus 1. In place of theta, we can write tan inverse of 2 by 3 into x plus 1 minus log modulus of root of 1 plus tan square theta. Tan theta is this. So, four by 9 x plus whole square plus c. I equal to e power x by e power 4x plus e power 2x plus 1 into dx. Del j equal to del e power minus x e power minus 4x plus e power minus 2x plus 1 into dx. Then j minus I equals 1 by 2 log modulus of e power 4x minus e power 2x plus 1 divided by e power 4x plus e power 2x plus 1 plus c. One by 2 log e power 2x plus e power x plus 1 divided by e power 2x minus e power x plus 1 plus c. E power 2x minus e power x plus 1 by e power 2x plus e power x plus 1 plus c. The last option is 1 by 2 log e power 4x plus e power 2x plus 1 divided by e power 4x minus e power 2x plus 1 plus c. So we can make the denominators can be equal in both terms. So j equal to e power minus x divided by 1 by e power 4x 1 by e power 2x plus 1 into dx. Therefore, e power minus x divided by 1 plus e power 2x plus e power 4x by e power 4x dx. If you take LCM, here it will come e power 2x, here e power 4x. Therefore, j equal to, if you bring the numerator, e power minus x into e power 4x divided by e power 4x plus e power 2x plus 1 into dx. That means j equal to integral e power 3x divided by e power 4x plus e power 2x plus 1 into dx. So, we have made j into e power 3x divided by e power 4x plus e power 2x plus 1 into dx. J minus implies we have same denominator in both cases, e power x plus 2 e power 2x plus 1 e power 3x minus e power x into dx. So, j minus I equal to integral e power x into e power 2x minus 1 whole divided by e power 4x plus e power 2x plus 1 into dx. Put e power x equal to t, e power x dx equal to dt. So, j minus I equal to t squared minus 1 into, for e power 2x t squared minus 1 for e power x dx dt by t power 4 plus t squared plus 1. So, j minus I dividing numerator and denominator by t squared divided by t squared plus 1 plus 1 by t squared. 1 minus 1 by t squared dt divided by t plus 1 by t whole squared minus 2 plus 1. So, equal to 1 minus 1 by t square dt divided by t plus 1 by t whole square minus 1. So, we take u equal to t plus 1 by t, d equal to 1 minus 1 by t squared dt. So, j minus I equal to du by here u square minus 1 and dx by x squared minus a squared equal to 1 by 2a log modulus of x minus a by x plus a plus c, like that 1 by 2 into 1 log modulus of u minus 1 by u plus 1 plus c. So 1 by 2 log t plus 1 by t minus 1 by t plus 1 by t plus 1 plus c. One by 2 log t square plus 1 minus t divided by t square plus 1 plus t by t. 1 by 2 log t square minus t plus 1 divided by t square plus t plus 1 plus c. Equal to 1 by 2 log t square, that is e power 2x minus e power x plus 1 divided by e power 2x plus e power x plus 1 plus c. So option C is correct in this case. The integral secant squared x divided by secant x plus tan x whole power 9 by 2 dx equals minus 1 by secant x plus tan x whole power 9 by 11 by 2 1 by 11 minus 1 by 7 into secant x plus tan x whole square plus k. Secant x plus tan x whole power 11 by 2 1 by 11 minus secant x plus tan x whole squared plus k. Minus 1 by secant x plus tan x whole power 11 by 2 Fourth option 1 by secant x plus tan x whole power 11 by 2. 1 by 11 plus k. So let I equal to secant squared by secant x plus tan x whole power 9 by 2 dx. So secant x plus tan x equal to t. Secant squared x minus tan squared equal to 1. Secant x plus tan x into secant x minus tan x equal to 1. Secant x minus tan x equal to 1 by this term, that is equal to t. Adding these two, 2 secant x equal to t plus 1 by t. So secant x equal to 1 by 2 into t plus 1 by t. Secant x tan x equal to secant x tan x plus secant squared x into dx equal to dt. That is dt. Divided by secant x plus tan x, that is equal to t. So you can write I as secant x into secant x dx whole divided by secant x plus tan x whole power 9 by 2. In place of secant x, you can write 1 by 2 into t plus 1 by t. For secant x plus tan x, t power 9 by 2. Secant x dx dt by t. 1 by 2 t by t into t power 9 by 2 dt plus 1 by 2 1 by t power 9 by 2 into 1 by t dt 1 by 2 t power minus 1 dt plus 1 by 2 1 by t power 9 by 2 into t square dt. T power 9 by 2 14 by 2 13 by 2 bring numerator minus 13 by 2 dt. So I equal to 1 by 2 t power minus 9 by 2 plus 1 by minus 9 by 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 t power minus 13 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 13 by 2 plus 1 plus c 1 by 2 t power minus 7 by 2 by minus 7 by 2 1 by 2 t power minus 11 by 2 by minus 11 by 2 plus c. This will be cancelled. This will be cancelled. So minus 1 by 7 1 by t power 7 by 2 minus 1 by 11 1 by t power 11 by 2 plus c. Minus 1 by 7 t squared by t power 7 by 2 into t squared minus 1 by 11 1 by t power 11 by 2 plus c. Multiplying and dividing by t squared the first term, that is minus 1 by 7 t squared divided by t power 11 by 2 minus 1 by 11 1 by t power 11 by 2 plus c. So minus 1 by t power 11 by 2 1 by 11 plus t square plus c. minus 1 by secant x plus tan x whole power 11 by 2 1 by 11 plus secant x plus tan x whole square plus c. So option C is correct. Next, the value of the integral cos cubed x plus cos power 5x by sin squared x plus sin power 4x dx is option A sin x minus six tan s of sin x plus c. Sin x minus 2 sin x inverse plus c, sin x whole power minus 1 plus c. Sin x minus 2 sin x whole power minus 1 minus 6 tan s of sin x plus c. Sin x minus 2 sin x power minus 1 5 tan s of sin x plus c. cos x into cos square x plus cos power 4x divided by sin square x plus sin power 4x dx. Equal to 1 minus sin square x plus by sin square x plus sin power 4x. Put sin x किट्टी cos x dx equal to dt. One minus t squared one minus t whole squared dt divided by t square plus t per 4. One minus t square plus 1 plus t per 4 dt. T power 4 minus 3 t squared plus 2 divided by t square plus t power 4 into dt. Here t power 4, here also t power 4. T power 4 divided by t power 4 plus t squared. Minus 4t squared plus 2. So t power 4 minus 3t squared plus 2 divided by t power 4 plus t squared equal to quotient 1 plus minus 4t squared by 2 by t power 4 plus t squared. So equal to 1 minus 4t square by t power 4 plus t squared 2 by t power 4 plus t squared. 1 minus 4t square divided by t square into t square plus 1 2 by t power 4 plus t square. This will be cancelled. So instead of integrating this, it is enough to integrate this one. So I equal to integral 1 plus 2 minus 4t square divided by t power 4 plus t square into dt. Again you take 2 minus 4t square by t square plus t power 4 equal to 2 minus 4x by x plus x square, where x equal to t square. So 2 minus 4x by x into x plus 1 equal to a by x plus b by x plus 1. 2 minus 4x equal to a into x plus 1 plus bx multiplied throughout by x into x plus 1. X equal to minus 1 implies 6 equal to minus b, b equal to minus 6. X equal to 0 implies 2 equal to a. So 2 minus 4x by x into x plus 1 equal to 2 by x minus 6 by, so 2 minus 4t squared so we know x equal to t squared. 2 minus 4t square by t squared into t square plus 1 equal to 2 by t square minus 6 by t square plus 1. So this is equal to 2 by t squared minus 6 by t square plus 1. Therefore, I equal to 1 plus 2 by t squared minus 6 by t square plus 1 into t. Integral dt equal to t minus 2 by t squared minus 2 by t six tan of t plus c. So sin x minus 2 by sin x minus 6 into tan of sin x plus c. Sin x minus 2 into sin x whole power minus 1 6 into tan of sin x plus c. So option C is correct. So we will discuss few more different model sums the next session. Thank you.